And Coinbase is just that. They're Coinbase. And I believe they're one of the first cryptocurrency companies to be evaluated individually at over $1 billion. I just heard that. I'm not sure if it's true or not. I think I read an article. But anyway, here you see buy and sell digital currency. Buy and sell products. Buy and sell. GDAX. GDAX is their exchange where you can go on and exchange. That's more so for intermediate traders who have gotten their feet wet and understand what's going on a little bit more so, I think, in investing and in trading. Developer platform, merchant tools. Go right there. Sign up. I have a referral link which will, I think, pay me some money or a portion or a percentage of whatever you sign up for when you do. Hey, if you want to use my link, great. If not, it's not a big deal, but it's there, so I might as well mention it. Get on this website. Check them out. Check them out. Again, not going to get into super detail. Uh-oh, phone's going off. Oh, shoot, hold on. This is Walter Mosley. Hold on 1 second. Mr. Mosley. Oh man, I'm good, brother. I'm just over here on this cryptocurrency YouTube. I was actually in the middle of a take here, and then you called me. Let me pick up this call. See what's going on, Mr. Mosley.
Yeah, I'm about to take my son out for a little bit.
Okay.
And get out my things.
Hey man, that sounds good to me, brother. What time you guys be back? Oh, where you guys going? What's he talking about?
It's a surprise, but
It's a surprise?
It's a surprise. Right now, she don't bullshit.
Oh, okay. Sounds good, man.
Yeah.
Have fun, Wally.
Yeah, I do. And can you go get your jacket for me, please, too?
Go put your jacket on.
I'll get you the Django hoodie. Yeah, so we're about that over there right now. So I'll just leave that underneath that.
All right, man. Sounds good, brother.
All right, we'll have fun.
All right, peace. Mr. Mosley, awesome guy. Thank you for interrupting my video. You just made it that much more real. Anyway, we're on Coinbase. We're doing this, and you guys got to get on here, creep around, look up other basic exchanges that you can go into and get verified and put your bank account in and change your money from USD or whatever currency it is into what they're selling. So that's how it works. You have to take your actual money and put it and transfer it basically into a different currency. And then you can get into cryptocurrency and start exploring around and putting money into exchanges. And some exchanges you can put USD into, but you also have to be verified as well. So be ready to submit your ID, your driver's license, your passport, your social security number, your bank account number, your EIN number, all that, so they're going to want to know who you are. They're going to know where your house is, where you live at, and you're going to have to be approved, and they're going to track all that stuff. So when people try to get around those things, you just run into more problems because then you just put yourself into a category where it's taking you a long time to get stuff done, and people that are trying to do business above board are going to think you're shady. So you might as well, if you want to jump into this the right way, hop on, get in, get verified, and you'll be good. So we talked about Coinbase. That's basically beginner trading. Take $100, drop $100 into Coinbase, buy some Bitcoin, because it's something that you'll feel familiar with. Track it, look at it, follow the price. Follow the price on traderview.com. Download Krypton. Krypton is a cool mobile app that's really good for looking at price action, just in terms of getting a feel for where the prices are. It's a cool interface. Get that. I use it. Put $100 in that, and I would highly recommend taking your time. And once you get that $100 into Bitcoin, pay very close attention to what that Bitcoin does. Monitor it, and the whole idea is to be able to grow, right? To increase your holdings, to get your numbers up, to basically raise the value of what it is that you hold. So there's ways of accelerating that, and that's one of those is trading. Another one of those is by way of investing. So for me, the difference between traders and investors is that traders are in it for more of a short-term transactional gain, Whereas the transaction that investors are executing, it's more of an extended time and more of an extended time and mentality and a different way of looking at it. You can be both. You can be a trader and an investor, but I believe there are two different ways of kind of looking at what you're doing. Investors are looking for companies to put money into, companies to buy coin from, ICOs, initial coin offerings. Look up initial coin offerings. Get on Google. I'm not going to give you a whole rundown on what an ICO is. Look up ICO, initial coin offering. So investors will look to put money in these programs, these companies, for, I don't know, anywhere from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months to years. You know, they're looking for long-term payouts and looking for stability across the board. So investors usually do a lot of due diligence. They'll scour the website top to bottom. They'll try to get in contact with somebody from the company. They'll speak to people who have worked with people who are supposed to be at that company. They'll look at the team very closely. Who are these team members? Who's the CEO? Who's the accountant? Who's the CTO, the Chief Technology Officer? Who are these people? And what are they doing? What are they doing for this company? So there's a lot of verifying that happens. But even in all that due diligence and research that an investor can do, even an amazing investor, there's always a chance that somebody's trying to pull the wool over your eyes. So keep in mind that with any investment, nothing's 100%, guys. So don't ever get into anything thinking that it's going to be 100%, no matter what you think or feel about it. Investors, yeah. Let's see. Do I have any other notes on investors? One sec, guys. As you can see here, I have my handy dandy note list. Here we go. Yes. All right, there we go. Loaning programs. So, bam. Loaning programs. You can be an investor and invest in loaning programs as well. Long-term bets, not looking to do anything day to day or week to week. You can loan to an exchange and earn a percentage off the money that the exchange uses to loan out for margin trading. So look up margin trading, look up exchanges as they relate to cryptocurrency, and there'll be a lot of videos and tutorials on margin trading and how to loan into exchanges after you've already done your tutorials and looked up and found more information on how to trade. A great source for trading tutorials is Philicon. This guy's hysterical. He's funny. Him and his dog Luna. He's got this cute little dog that's always in the background while he's sharing all his knowledge on trading. It's great. I'm gonna show you guys Philicon right now. I don't know why I'm just here rambling about him. Let me just take you to his page. Actually, let me turn this down. This is get the odds a little bit too loud. Okay, bam. All right. Bam, in the purple. Philicon. All right, you guys see this guy, Philakone. He's in Canada, cryptocurrency enthusiast. Does all of his trading on Bitfinex for the most part, all that I've seen. He's an amazing guy from what I can tell. Has a mathematics background and can show you the light. What you want to do is come to his playlist right here if you're interested in learning how to trade cryptocurrency. And get on right here, cryptocurrency trading tutorial, step by step to success. Now, listen, nothing is guaranteed, but this is very technical stuff. And if you're not willing to put the time in and actually learn how to do something new and learn a system and learn systems and then critically think and use your own brain and try to understand how to apply these things to what's happening in real life, it's not for you. It's not a get rich plan. It's not a get rich quick plan. This is an actual skill and an actual industry that you're going to have to respect and learn if you want to be successful in it. But this is gold right here. All this is gold. This is gold. All of this, especially this. And there are a couple of other places I can direct you guys to, but really start with him. He has a great tone. He's really friendly. He's fun. Like I said, he's just really sharing his knowledge And, you know, the dude clearly knows what he's doing. You can see his successes. You can see some of his failures. And he's just really lighthearted and cool, you know. So you guys check out Philicon if you're interested in training, trading. You can learn how to short, learn how to go long, learn the signals. He's going to teach you candles, all type of stuff. Just go right here to this if you're actually interested in learning how to trade. You don't got to learn how to trade. You don't got to trade. Only trade, don't trade. But hey, the markets are full of people who don't know how to trade and they continue to just dilly-dally with it for some other reason.